Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. Message of congratulations continue. Eritrea nationals in the UK and Canada celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Algeria and Italy sign new energy supply deal. And at least 50 killed in jihadist attack in Burkina Faso. The local news. General Secretary of the United Nations, Mr. Antonio Guterres, Pope Francis of Vatican, as well as President Ilham Aliyev of Azerbaijan, and Mr. Mohammed Al-Manfi, Chairman of Presidential Council of Libya, sent messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea in connection with the 31st anniversary of Independence Day. In their messages, the leaders expressed their desire to develop bilateral relations with Eritrea. Eritrean nationals in the United Kingdom and Canada celebrated the 31st Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal under the theme Independent Choice, Backbone of Our Pride. The celebrations held in the Great Britain in the cities of London, Manchester, Birmingham, Newcastle, Sheffield, Nottingham, Coventry, Leeds, Middlesbrough, Cardiff, Glasgow, Wakefield, and Leicester featured cultural and artistic programs, and the participants expressed conviction to strengthen organizational capacity and participation in the national affairs. The ceremony organized in London, in which over 2,500 nationals, as well as diplomats, members of various institutions in the UK, and other professionals took part. The Eritrean ambassador to the UK and Ireland, Mr. Estefanos Habtemariam, commended those that contributed for the successful event and gave briefing on the objective situation in the homeland and the charted out national development programs. Mr. Mohammed Mahmoud, chairman of the Eritrean community in the UK, said celebrating Independence Day anniversary has significant contribution in strengthening unity and organizational capacity, as well as in inculcating nationalism and the noble societal values among the young generation. Likewise, nationals in the Canadian cities of Toronto, Halifax, Montreal, Ottawa, Hamilton, Kitchener, Windsor, Regina, Saskatoon, Calgary, Edmonton, Vancouver, and others enthusiastically celebrated the Independence Day, featuring various programs portraying the day. Independence Week was celebrated in She'ab Zone in connection with the 31st anniversary of Independence Day. The Independence Week that was held from May 19 to 22, in which youth workers from various institutions took part, included artistic programs, general knowledge contests, as well as seminar. Mr. Tahle Zerem, head of political and organizational affairs at the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the Northern Red Sea region, conducted a seminar on contribution of Eritrean youth in realizing the national independence and safeguarding national sovereignty. Stating on the importance of youth organization, Mr. Abubakar Ibrahim, administrator of the Sub-Zone, expressed readiness of the Sub-Zone administration to stand alongside the youth in all their endeavors. The participants conducted extensive discussion on the topics raised and adapted various recommendations. We have an announcement from the Minister of Health. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at the testing station of the Central region. On the other hand, one patient who has been receiving medical treatment in the hospital in the Southern region has fully recovered and has been discharged from the facility. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,647, while the number of deaths stands at 103. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 9,757. Minister of Health, Asmara, May 27, 2022. International news is next, after a short break. Welcome back. Algerian President Abdelmadjid Tebboune and his host Italy's President Sergio Mattarella met at the Quarantine Palace in Rome before meeting with Prime Minister Mario Draghi. Rome is looking for more energy supply from Algiers and it prepares to cut dependence on Russian gas. Mattarella said Italy is grateful for Algeria's efforts to strengthen their collaboration in recent months. He also said the energy cooperation naturally also extends to cooperation in the field of ecological transition. Last week, Prime Minister Draghi said his country could be independent of Russian gas by the second half of 2024, longer than earlier estimates. Algeria is Africa's leading exporter of natural gas. Italy is the Eurozone's third largest economy. In 2021, 40% of the natural gas that Italy imported came from Russia. Deadly attack attributed to armed jihadists against civilians and the military have multiplied in recent weeks in Burkina Faso, the latest of which left some 50 civilians dead in the east. This attack carried out against the commune of Majuri, which has been 15,000 and 20,000 inhabitants, is the bloodiest since the one perpetrated nearly a year ago in Solhan in the northeast, which killed 132 people. Like other towns in the north and east of Burkina Faso, such as Djibo and Titao, the town of Majuri has been placed under blockade by the jihadists who strike in these regions. The army sometimes managed to get supply convoys there. The governor of the eastern region assured that security actions are underway to restore peace. A reminder of the top stories. Message of congratulations continue. Eritrean nationals in the UK and Canada celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Algeria and Italy sign new energy supply deal. And at least 50 killed in jihadist attack in Burkina Faso. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.